ask you, you can just come on the video and say it here only. We'll finish it off. And otherwise, I think it will help you also. I can guide you.
Okay, okay.
So you can just come on the video. So like whatever you told me that your
Yeah, 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 yeah,
improvement in the sleep or whatever it is,
yeah.
and it would be a proof for you also that this is a conviction that is it getting better or not or whatever it is, that your sleep or whatever you are feeling good at, you can share it, and also share that stress, anxiety, and fear thing, and productivity and vitality, because the
Okay,
course outcome is this. So I want that people should get that clarity. Yes, it does help in that. Okay. And uh, and how do what do you feel about me as a coach, and then finally why would you recommend it to others? That's it.
yeah, 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 yeah,
So
yeah. Yeah.
what you can do is you can just take your time. If you want, you get 1-2 minutes, think of it what you have to say if you wish. So
Okay,
whenever you are ready, let me know. Just a second. Now, yeah.
okay. Hi everyone. I'm just telling my experience with Gaurav, like the coaching, what I took and how it has helped me. And I got this once WhatsApp call through WhatsApp, once message through a friend, and I
Saraji, sorry, you don't need to say all this. You just say that
okay,
this was my, I joined, whatever you want to say, Mr. Gaurav, or whatever you want to say. I joined Mr. Gaurav Prakash's course, and or whatever
okay,
you want to say.
okay, okay, okay,
This, I had these issues before the course, and once I did the course, this is what benefits I got. Okay, and like all those outcomes, stress and all, and productivity and vitality. You can share all your improvements, and then just tell how do you find me as a coach, and then finally why would you recommend it to others. That's it. Okay, and just to the point. Don't need to yeah. Just use the words which can actually which really gives that feeling of actually what how my course is felt by you all. That real feeling they should understand. Yes, when we will do the course, we will actually, so this is a service from your side to them, and you are actually sharing your genuine experience. Okay. Yeah.
okay, okay.
So just see to the camera, that will be giving you the right thing. Where do you have the camera on the laptop? No. So
Yes, yes.
just see on that. This will be the perfect video. Okay.
Okay, okay.
So just yeah, it is. You are done. Yeah. Start.
Yes, I have taken Mr. Gaurav Prakash course, and before the course, I had lots of anxiety and sleep issue, and I was not able to concentrate, and I was feeling very low in my life. And after taking the course for 5 days, and I felt a lot of improvement, and my sleep got improved, and my productivity and concentration is improving, and there is lot more to improve, and I'm still continuing his course, and every by day i'm I'm feeling myself improvement. um, Mr. Gaurav is a wonderful coach. He's very sincere. He tries to help others, and he always tries to he tries to help more people, and more even he can treat, like he had a lot of issues, and he had also gone through a lot of problem, and he came out of it, and he had confident, and I also feel that there is lot of many mental diseases can be cured by this. Mental and physical diseases can be improved by taking his course, and his charges are very nominal, or kind of free, and I would recommend everyone to try his course um, and get improvement in their life.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you. I will improve it. Actually, this
Yeah,
is
yeah,
what
yeah.
I
No,
believe.
no,
I'll
no. It's
write
all
it,
right.
and so, but no, something like, yeah, some fluency is
So
not there,
it's
but
all
I
right.
can.
But I think still you can do it. I just thought that when you are in front, that will help. I can just see to it
Yeah.
and
Actually, like I said, like I'm not so confident. I like to improve actually this one, but I feel little bit, yeah, I'm like a public
okay.
speaking. Yeah.
So actually, what is happening is I don't think so now people will come. So uh, I am just actually sometimes no, this time maybe the morning time is only the right time, and because people did not respond, so I had to change that. In fact, other people are.
Morning, yeah, morning also now the people will sleep. Like usually, I don't know, but I think my experience,
So
people
now
will
I
sleep
will.
little more, I think, in the morning. And morning also, like now lockdown period, all the people will go for outing. I think this
Mhm.
is the right time for lockdown period. At least I feel after two is, I think, the right time. My opinion, yeah. Like
I,
many of the,
so let
yeah.
me. I don't know.
Evening,
Understand.
like evening 7 p.m. is, I think, the like
Let
six
me
thirty seven
let
is
me
the
just
big.
check with one two people on
Yeah,
phone.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
We have. I think Meera ma'am also did not join. हाँ रुचिका मैम आज आप लेट हो गए मैं वेट कर रहा था हाय या रुचिका मैम हाय हाँ रुचि मैम आप हो रुचिका मैम
Yes, yes.
अच्छा अच्छा अरे मीरा जी खुद ही नहीं आई मैंने मेरा व्हाट्सएप एक्चुअली नहीं चल रहा तो मैंने इसलिए मैसेज नहीं कर पाया क्लास का हालांकि मैंने सबको कॉल किया किसी ने फोन ही नहीं उठाया मैं एक बार देखता हूँ मीरा मैम अगर आ रहे हैं तो मैं फिर थोड़ा हम करके फिर आई थिंक करूँगा कोई
Just
टाइम सुबह का ही देखना पड़ेगा अदरवाइज लोग नहीं आते तो मैं एक टाइम पे ही करूंगा मैं सबके लिए तो अलग अलग टाइम नहीं रख सकता आई थिंक आई हैव टू बी अ बिट मतलब
Yeah, that's a try. Yeah, you can choose a time which is convenient for
आई थिंक
maximum
मॉर्निंग
people.
10 इज व्हाट आई विल कीप मॉर्निंग 10 या मेरा मैम आप आ रहे हो सो रुचिका मैम एक छोटा काम कर लेते हैं अगर आप हेल्प कर सको तो हेलो रुचिका मैम या
हाँ
या
हाँ
अभी मैंने ना मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि अभी 5 मिनट और देख लेते हैं अगर और कोई आता है नहीं आता है नहीं तो फिर हम अपना थोड़ा सा एक सेशन करके खत्म कर लेते हैं सो व्हाट आई वांटेड फ्रॉम यू इज एक अभी मैंने वही सोचा कि वो जो टेस्टिमोनियल वाला चीज था ना अभी मैंने शरद जी से तो करा जस्ट ही हैज गिवन द टेस्टिमोनियल तो आप भी अगर कर सकते हो तो अभी अगर हम ऑनलाइन हैं इफ यू विश so we can do it right now क्योंकि टाइम हो नहीं पाता. मैं 15 दिन से फिर वो ना अलग अलग टाइम पे मेरे को भी अलग से आप साथ मतलब टाइम निकालना पड़ेगा. अभी आप
एनर्जी
हाँ
बॉडी
जी,
एनर्जी है, मैं जस्ट सो के उठी हूँ. अभी अभी नहीं, आई विल
ऐसा करते हैं, चलो ऐसा करते हैं, ठीक है, मैं बस यही कह रहा हूँ. ठीक है, whatever you feel comfortable. अभी हम मेडिटेट कर लेते हैं एंड देन मे बी इफ यू फील ऑल राइट देन यू कैन डू इट. ओके, चलो ठीक है. सो सर,
वीडियो ऑन नहीं करूंगी मैं.
हाँ जी, आवाज नहीं आ रही है आपकी.
मैंने कहा वीडियो ऑन नहीं करूंगी, फिर आप
चलो ठीक है, एज यू विश, व्हाटएवर यू फील. इफ यू मतलब अभी हम पहले मेडिटेट कर लेते हैं, ठीक है. लेट अस डू दी प्रोसेस, लेट अस डू दी सेशन. इफ यू विश बाद में अगर अगर होता है तो आप बता देना, ठीक है.
ये सुई पड़ची सुई गिरी को
तो ओके ओके, नो इशू, नो इशू. सो
तू रहो.
चलो, आई थिंक वी आर जस्ट गोइंग टू डू दिस प्रोसेस.
दूसरा काम करो सर, दूसरा काम करो तो आप मेडिटेशन को बस तू आला बस
Sarath ji, we are going to start this thing. Shall we do this, guys?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So, Ruchika ma'am, let's do this small process a little bit. I'll share and then I can. Okay. So, sit straight with your legs, feet on the ground. Just feel, loosen up your body completely. Drop your shoulders, completely loosen up. Sarath ji, especially you need to more relax your mind first. Before doing the meditation, you can just say, I am peaceful, calm, and relaxed. This will first relax your thing, and then you, why you are unable to concentrate because of the excess energy.
I am peaceful, calm. I am peaceful, calm.
I think you need to mute. I'll just.
Okay.
Yeah. So, okay, yeah. So, anybody who has heaviness, like especially Sanatji for you, because anybody who's having any lack of focus or concentration, because there is negative energy filled up, and if that is not, you're not stable enough. So you can say these lines, okay, and then when now you can also feel your body to be completely relaxed. Lighten up your body. Now just focus on your mind. Drop your shoulders and you'll be completely loosen up. No part of your body should be heavy. Completely loosen up. Now just see your mind. If you don't feel any thoughts, focus on that and you will find that you are just feeling yourself as a white point of light, a shining star in between your forehead. Just feel that maybe you'll be getting a sensation. Now just feel that you are just this white point of light. You are not this body. You are just this white point of light. Now you feel so light that you are just this shining star. You are just so light, you can fly anywhere. It's so light. Just feeling so light. And you are a peaceful soul. So you are peace and you are soul. You are not the body. So nothing affects you. You are in your own self-enjoyment, peace, undeterred by anything in this world around you. And you're enjoying your peace. Just feel how it will be when you adjust this light point of light. There is so much of freedom, lightness. You are not bound by anything. Such a great life. No tension, no nothing. You are feeling completely ecstatic. Wow, what a wonderful feeling. Now you feel that there is a completely similar white point of light high above in the sky. That is our real Father, Shiv Baba. With love, we call him Baba, Shiv Baba, like because he's our Father, how we call our Father. And with love, we just seek his love and all the powers. And he just pours all his love and all the powers on us in form of this white point of light, this ocean of white point of light falling on us. Now he converts this to a golden light coming from him, continuously falling on us. This ocean of gold light, the real God light. Now it starts filling inside our body. From the soul, it gets in and it fills up our whole body, our brain completely, our neck, lungs, heart, abdomen, spine, back part of the body completely, eyes, legs, and finally the feet, till the feet, completely filled with golden light. Just see the whole golden light inside your body. This continuous flow of golden light from Shiv Baba is falling on you. And now it's getting inside your body and completely filled up with this golden light. Just experience the golden light inside your body, completely filled up. Analyze what is happening. Every cell of your body is getting rejuvenated with this golden divine light. Your whole body is completely filled up with this golden white light. Just feel that, experience that. Your whole body filled up with golden light, God's divine golden light. Feel it in every cell of your body. Let it do whatever it does. Just experience it having inside your body. Whenever you feel complete, you can hang on. Whenever you are done, let go. I'm just coming in a minute. I think Saratji, you are gone into a meditative state. Eh? Okay. So you need more time? A bit? You are muted.
No, I came out of, actually, I didn't know, like, you said, I heard that you will go and come
Yeah, no,
back after.
actually, yeah, I actually had my
Yeah, yeah,
my
that's what I
doorbell
heard,
rang.
then I was
Acha,
still,
acha, my doorbell rang. Okay, so how was the experience?
it was great, yeah, it was a great experience. It was very, very calm and relaxing, peaceful.
Great, great.
How
What
long
a,
it was? Like, I didn't
I also
attend.
did not, but I think
Okay,
it would be around 5 minutes,
okay.
5 to 7 minutes, not more than that. Because I added some different flavor in the beginning, no? So, and, what about you, Ruchika ma'am? Were you able to do it? I think this is the first time you did it. I have never done this earlier with you guys. You there, Ruchika ma'am? She also got into a state. Final call. Let me see. Ruchika ma'am, are you there? Okay. Let her. Come. So, guys, basically, I'll just share. Yeah, Ruchika ma'am.
Oh, yeah, I have done this on every Saturday. We do this golden light
Acha, 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 acha.
meditation.
No,
Yeah.
with me, I think you wouldn't have, you
But
wouldn't have done it. Yeah, है
I
ना?
have energy today, no, so I am not very receptive
Acha.
towards.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
No, what I thought is, I think because you would have not done it with me. I did. Well, I am. doing it, I think maybe
Yeah.
second time.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Actually, what is the difference? You do it in Buddhism?
No, there is a different group called Medicine Buddhism,
Ah.
Buddha medicine.
So it's a
In that,
Reiki thing. It would be what they are doing is Reiki kind of a thing. So
yeah.
what I tell you is this Reiki and pranic healing. What is the difference between what I do right now and what it is doing? They actually treat ourselves to be a body. They say the knowledge of soul, but they actually any of these systems they don't treat you as a soul. That is the all difference. So whenever you use the thing what I'm sharing with this system, you will make it 10 times more powerful than what they are doing. Although their thing is very good, that is also very powerful, very good in fact. But when you do it along with the same thing with my system, you will find it 10 times more powerful and more easier and very quick, the fastest. In a second, you can get that energy what they don't get in 5-10 minutes. It could be that powerful. Why? Because we actually address us the right identity. That is why this system becomes more powerful. In fact, today there was an all India Reiki session today. Hema Malini came. I was there in that. In fact, so many healers and then this complete Reiki family was there. So Hema Malini is doing Reiki since 25 years, and she knows a lot about healing and all. She learned it. Even for her programs and all, they use healing, everything. So that is what they don't know about the power what they can generate when they do it. So that is why I'm going to take a course for healers also. I'm going to create a course for all the healers in the world. So I'm working on that. Then I'll make a course for all the spiritual gurus. So I'm gonna get into that. But right now, why I'm not doing it, first want to create some recognition in the market, and then people will only because if I straight away say that I'll want to share this with Sadhguru or something, I think until unless anybody recognizes me, I will not be able to generate that kind of interest. But that is there in my mind. But once I get some recognition in the market and some testimonials recognition, that is why I want testimonials from you all who are experiencing it, because then only I can talk that people have got benefits. So that is what is very important. People believe if I have testimonials. So that is why I'm asking you guys that if I can have more and more testimonials and good ones, so people can know that yes, this course is able to get results. Okay. So now I'll just share a little bit about. So I'll ask you guys, how many of you have read any knowledge shared by me, the Murli? Okay. So please, I
That, that is very good. That is very good. That expression and what you have written is very, very good.
that is also there, and but the God's knowledge is today what I shared with you guys. When it is Murli, no, wherever it is written Murli, that is real God's sharing. What those expressions and all are there, that has been created, different practices have been created on the basis of knowledge.
I
But
missed out that Murli earlier. You must have done. I missed out on the Murli.
okay, so Murli is when it will be written, Madhuban Murli for today. Every day, God's direct knowledge is the Murli. And expression thing are the practices that we generate out of the system. But God's knowledge is basically this Murli, daily what He gives us officially. So that is the Murli. So just I would ask you all of you to go through it, and how do you feel? Just sensitively analyze how do you feel about after reading it. If you find any difference, and please share that in the group, because I want to just I am asking you all this. Why? Because I know what it will impact, but how does it work on normal people? I want to understand that how does it work on the participants, so that I can understand, okay, what do I need to do to make it more effective? What should I share with? So Anything what I ask you guys is just for the upliftment and betterment of the course, so that the new participants, the participants get a better and better. Every time I wanted to make it better and better every course, and that is why I'm creating new content. So in the next program of mine, you will find an absolutely different content. So every time I experiment things, there is what people do is they create one course and they just do it. I want to make it first of all reach a level wherein it becomes better and better and better and better and better. So that is why I would definitely want your help to share, to get your feedbacks and responses on what is working, what benefits are you getting. So please cooperate with me in share. In don't hesitate to share even a single experience with me. Everything will be valuable for me. Like if you can share that I got 1% benefit, even 1% benefit from any technique, please share that. That yes, I am getting improvement in my sleep, improvement in my mouth ulcer, improvement in my stress, anxiety, so whatever it is, that will help me. Really. So I think as a godly service also, whatever you think, you can just help me out in this.
Yeah, but
And
you want a video, no? I cannot be on video today, otherwise I would
no, no,
have
no, no,
given.
no, no. It's all right. It's all right. Whenever you are comfortable. I'm just saying. I'm not asked. I'm not
Yeah,
actually
yeah,
just saying.
yeah,
Whenever you are comfortable. But I am
yeah,
just
yeah.
telling you why I require it. So if you know the reason, then I think you can understand the value and actually help me out. So it is kind of a service from your side also, a godly service, because you are actually will be helping out the future participants if they can get motivated towards God's knowledge through you. This is your service. That is what every small thing counts. And God does not say you give 1 crore as donation, then only you will help me out. God says even if you give a small knowledge to somebody, even if you motivate somebody to come into this knowledge and meet God, his Father, how we felt so amazing after meeting. Let us share other also that benefit and that amazing experience, the best experience of any soul's life, anything. There is nothing bigger than connecting to the Almighty and getting liberation and salvation. So I think that is the best cause you can serve. Don't give any money or don't donate any money. If you can do this service of bringing people to courses or get motivating them about the course, about joining it or about godly knowledge, I think that is a great service itself. Every service counts. There is no small big. Everybody is unique and everybody provides there. A person who is rich can provide money and donate. A person who's not that great with money can share his knowledge with people, motivate them, help them to with their troubles through this knowledge, and then motivate them to get into the godly knowledge. So I think that's it. The purpose of our life is to help others. Yes, definitely work on our responsibilities and on for ourselves also. Because if we are not good, if we are not healthy, if we are not fit, if we are not happy with our families, how can we help you? If I am myself in trouble, how can I help you? And so first thing is to serve ourselves. Keep for the next task is to make your families happy, keep them happy, and then go to the society. Okay, first is us work on our empowering ourselves. Second is to empower our family, then our surroundings and different people. So let us move in this format, and this will be more uh, creating a good life for you also. So see, that is the difference in this knowledge as compared to anything else. Here we just want to work on improvement of our life through spirituality. We just don't get into spirituality for without any reason. Okay, liberation is one thing which normally everybody thinks that is why spirit. So people think that spirituality is just to get salvation, but we use spirituality to first improve our life. Okay, and then get salvation. So that is the difference. It is not that I get into spirituality and I and I just kick out my family and just forget about them and let them die. No, God says, serve them. Yes, from mind, connect to me, but do your duties, do your responsibilities towards your family, take care of your body, take care of your health, your wealth also. It should be decent enough. You should have a decent life, relationships. So people misunderstand spirituality. That is the part. And here God wants to explain that. बोलते हैं ना कीचड़ में भी कमल उगता है. So we have to be like this. Even if being in this dirty world, we got to be a rose flower. Okay, that is what. We don't want to become thorns in the word of thorns. We want to become the kamal in the dirt. So you kamal khilta hai na कीचड़ में. Exactly like that. So that is what he says. Be sweet, be smiling. And that is a very good thing. That differentiates you from your way of talking, your attitude towards people, your positivity in your mind, in your words, in your action. That all counts. So you don't need to do this to impress others or to help others. The first help, the first benefit, the benefit goes to first you, because when you generate those things, you are the first person who get impacted by it. Isn't it great? Which a lot of people miss out. If you are angry on somebody, the first negative impact or the harm of that anger goes to you. You actually just spoil your blood by anger, by anything. So the other person, you feel that you are harming him, but actually you are harming yourself, and 10 times more, because you are generating that. You are so close, you are actually impacting your whole system, which a lot of people don't understand. So it is very important to understand all these things, and being an embodiment. Just rectifying knowledge is not going to help us too much. Okay, it will help even if you at least doing nothing, it is still better. But the actual benefit you will get when you actually be using it in your life and be an embodiment of it. If I say I am a soul and I don't act like a soul in this world, that nothing impacts me. I just feel so light every time. I'm empowered. I don't get affected by anything in my environment. That is when I am in a real embodiment of soul. So that will help you. Just imagine that you are in a big fight, in a quarrel. Something happens, even in your family, some fight happens, war of words happens. And if you can be cool and calm like this, if you know that this is all a drama, movie, and I don't get impacted by it, see, your presence will impact others and create more and subside the all quarrel and fight. How many of you feel that yes, this will help you in the fights, in any fight, in your home or life, anywhere? Do you feel that this could help you out? This is something which may help you out, solve out the quarrel or subside the matter. And if you feel, just think over it, and if you feel this, type in whatever your answer is, yeah, yes or a no. Okay, you may think over it for a minute. Suppose three people are shouting, and instead of you also shouting and fighting and responding back, if you can talk like me, and you can feel inside yourself, oh yeah, this is all a movie. I am a soul. It does not impact me. You give me, you abuse me, you are abusing this body. You are saying wrong words, you are saying to this body, but I am the soul. It does not impact me. I'll fly in my happiness, in my masti, in my peace. It's not gonna affect me. If you are having this attitude, would it be amazing for this situation, and would it be helping to solve out here the issues or reduce the issues at least? How many of you feel that's type in reduce relief if you feel that this will help in that? Think over it by the time I'll just. Okay. So Saraji says yes, it will. What about Nana and Ruchina? It is a very important parameter which I am sharing. So definitely think over it and then answer. You may answer whatever you feel. So, okay. Oh, sorry, Nana, I missed it. Okay, so Nana is saying yes, it will show there. Thanks. Cool. Ruchika ma'am, if you have thought, it's fine. Otherwise, I understand. You are not well. So this is one tip for having great relationships. Okay. Uh, this will save a lot of fights inside your home only, and it in the office or anywhere. So these small things can completely change the way of life, and it will make your life like heaven. And that is how your life is in the golden age. In the Satyug, will be deities, devta, will be kings. So just visualize how does a deity live his life, because he's being worshipped. He's so pure. He's so royal. He's so decent. Just if we don't practice it from now, how can we be able to execute that in the golden age? So that is why God provides us knowledge, and that is the only outcome of this knowledge, the only difference than any other spiritual program or entity or course. That here there is a clear outcome of making you a deity, making you a deity from a human, transformation from human to a deity. Only this is the solution. So that is the amount of clarity which we have there. Okay. So that it is. So finally, we just, if you have got any queries, any of you can ask. One thing I wanted to share, today's God knowledge is, if you have not gone through it, the reason for unhappiness is disobedience in little things. So what happens is, even sometimes people just focus on a sin or a mistake somebody has done, but actually even the small things also matter. If you have uh, bypassed any rule, if you have missed out or foul played even the smallest things, even the smallest things you have missed from God's directions, if he has direct and you have not gone according to them even the slightest bit, those small things impact the most, because we underestimate it. We don't give it too much importance. And the other point he talked about today is actually showed that peace is actually what we experience in other meditations. Ruchi ma'am, you also listen. Whatever you get from those healings or Buddhism or whatever it is, anything. I'm not pointing out any single thing, anything, any other meditation, art of living, anything. They understand peace to be a silence where your mind is just in peace, in silence. Okay, I'll just share it with you because I have experienced that. I know about all this, so I know where the fault is. That is the beauty of it. Somebody who's always been into this knowledge cannot understand what I can understand, because I have gone through every of the other thing. So that is why I know the pros and cons in every. So I'll just share with you. It's a very tricky thing. So what he says is that actually, I just give me some time. Four star, yeah. So he says you don't constantly experience the stage of super sensuous joy and peace filled with happiness because we are not always in that mode of embodiment. हमारी ऊपर नीचे होता रहता है embodiment, इसीलिए हमारी problems होती है. अगर हम हमेशा constantly God के awareness में रहेंगे तो we will actually not be getting any problems in our daily life. Everything will be taken care by him and solved by him. Why do we suffer or why do we get into trouble? Because we miss his awareness. Sometimes we are in too much knowledge and sometimes we forget that awareness. So let me find out if I can get it. Yes. So what it says is one is to experience peace through knowledge, what we are doing, getting through this system. And the other is the peace of dead silence, what we actually get in all the other processes. I've experienced that, I know. You just sit without any expression, or like without anything. You just be in silence. So he says that is of no use because that is not getting you anywhere. That is just a dead silence. There is no happiness or bliss. But what peace you experience here through this system is actually filled up with happiness and bliss. And that is why you even get to go to the golden age, which no other spiritual system talks about, even knows about. So that is what he shared today. And then for us, he shared, may you be God's helpers who bring success to tired and desperate souls. You see, I shared exactly that with you. And then he told, weak sanskars are the gate through which Maya the thief enters. Maya is all the problems, all these five lust, greed, anger, hatred, all these things. These are the, this is called, these are called Maya by God. So weak sanskars are the gate through which Maya the thief enters. So we need to close that gate. Okay. So that is, I think, a little bit knowledge what we shared today. And so cool. I think I think the earlier tip, great manner that it will surely help. That I really like that. And Sarabji, I got through it. So use those techniques in life. And if you have got, I think we'll close it here. And so that because a lot of people are not there. But guys, please do your tasks regularly and update it. You guys have stopped doing it. Although those 14 days are gone, but still at least for 1 week more, just do it. It will be for your benefit. So do it and please share every single improvement or experience. It will be for your benefit. Whenever you are down, you can see that, yes, it is working. See, it worked. I got improvement. And so that is why I've told you again and again, this is the reason why we ask to write experiences. So it is an amazing thing. Whenever you have a doubt or a confusion, you will see this testimonial and you will find, oh, I found it better, so it works. And again, you will be on a high mood. And that is how it goes. The only game is to always be as high mood as possible. The problem starts when we come to the lower. So how was this session today? I just want to know from you. How was this overall session today? Especially this knowledge session, which I shared later on. I want to have your feedback so that whether it is this working? Does it help? How did you find it? My WhatsApp has completed. Okay. Saraji says useful. Cool. And what about others? Nana and Ruchika ji, so that we just, I'll give 1 minute if you wish to share anything. Otherwise, we. So, did you find it useful, Nana and Ruchika ma'am? Anything? How was this session? Or whatever you feel. Okay. So, Ruchika ma'am says useful. Thanks. Thanks, guys. So, I hope you guys just start. So, Nana says the knowledge given today was good. Cool. Okay. So, guys, thank you. Thank you for your time, and just share your experience regularly. I don't need to remind you guys. Automatically send in the morning itself whenever possible, and share every improvement of yours whole day. Use all the techniques which I shared in the morning, breathing, and those meditation and connection to God is the most important thing. And then I will share some new things in Sudan. There are so many things. Now we have done nothing. So, but now these 14 days are gone, so I need to connect with people first and then find out what to do next. Okay, okay, ciao. Okay, bye bye. Take care.